In most contemplative traditions, the symbol for unity is a full circle with a central dot. If we make the assumption that the full circle is reality or the perceived reality, and the dot is the observer position, we can also make the assumption that the observer is constantly broadcasting and receiving. And what is broadcast reaches the edge of the perceived reality and then is reflected back towards the observer. And that the interference pattern created by that reflection projection is the perceived reality. It is the material world as we experience it. Density, shape, time, etc. I've created this system here, this animation that allows for perception of what that might look like vibrationally. There is the broadcast outward, the reflection back towards the observer, and then this is the perceived physical world. Now, the person on the left here, they're going to have their reality affect their inner state. So it begins at the inner state that broadcasts and projects outward. It is reflected back to them in their experience of reality, and their experience continues to reinforce their inner state. The person on the right has the same situation, but they can make an internal choice from their internal locus of control. And in doing that, every time they do that, they alter what that reality is going to reflect back because they're altering the projection independent of the external stimulus or the external perception of reality. Now, if we have a lower frequency, higher wavelengths, we'll see that that happens in a little bit more simplistic pattern. And if we have a higher frequency or lower wavelengths, we'll see that that happens in a much more intricate pattern. But every time we make a choice, we end up creating something new. We can also increase the coupling between external and internal, and that's going to show at a moderate wavelength, it's easier to see, that this band of a circle here is not coherent. It's not stable. Whereas this band of a circle is quite coherent and stable, simply because the internal state was corrected regardless of the external experience. Although external here is a misnomer because this is you, not the dot, the entirety. Your perceived reality and the dot make up what you are.